Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a trigger in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Then type your file or I open already to this document. Go to extensions. See this apps script. Click here. Show this account notify. Simply select your account, then click OK and remove to this function and type this function. I already copied to this function. See this note here, note to this function. Go to my description box and copy to this function. Okay, then rename your project example, then close, save, then close and example sense data, press enter and wait. See this trigger actives successfully. Again press enter, then show this trigger active, data update successfully. So this, if you want to know how to create a time trigger, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.